Hello, my name is Joanne Mckibbin and I'm a Master Trainer in the Writing Dynamics course. In this session, I'm going to talk about what Writing Dynamics is, why you should attend the course, and what we cover during the workshop. So what is Writing Dynamics? Writing Dynamics is a business writing course that is designed to help you effectively write any type of business document, whether it be a 10-page report or a half-page email. It's a very practical approach. It's systematic and it helps you produce documents which are easy to read, which are professional, but still easy to understand and very memorable for your reader. It's being developed by award-winning professional writers. That allows us to take the key things from the professional writers and translate it into business writing, allowing us to make our documents as effective as possible. So why should you attend the course? Writing Dynamics will do two key things for you. Firstly, it will save you time, and that's saving time through the whole process, right from the beginning in planning your document to the end where you're editing the document to provide a professional finished product. But secondly, and most importantly, it will improve the quality of your writing. It will make sure that your documents are quick and easy to read and say what you need them to say in a very concise manner. So what does the course cover? Writing Dynamics covers the three key elements of any business writing process: planning, drafting, and editing. But it does so in a new and very different way. Instead of doing everything at once, we learn tools to separately plan, then to draft, and then to edit properly. With planning, we introduce you to a visual method of planning to help you capture all of your ideas in one place in a very concise way. Drafting, we learn how to draft quickly to get the words onto the page, which then allows you to effectively edit your documents. And this is where we learn the editor's 6 obsessions, learning from the professional writers, the professional editors, and what they do and how we can apply that to our business writing. So what we've covered in this short session is what Writing Dynamics is, why you should attend it, and what we cover on the course. We're very much looking forward to meeting you when you attend this course and sharing these exciting concepts with you. Thank you for your time.